Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to see how you can define asynchronous dynamic tasks in Rust. Is the sound recording? Yes, it does. So, uh, basically we want to create a new source dyn task. And then in nvim, we want to open it and go ahead and do the edit. So how do we define these associate dynamic tasks? What we need to do is to use the futures create with the stream and the futures unordered and yeah, this way, futures unordered, and use the futures stream next and Tokyo task spawn and Tokyo time, and we need the sleep and the duration. So now we can have an asynchronous function dynamic task manager, and this is going to do the following. Sorry. So we will have the task manager, which is the futures unordered new. And then we want to use a for loop with the ID in 0. Come on. .5. And the task is going to spawn an async move with the following: sleep duration from sex and ID as U64, and we want to await it. So this is basically asynchronous programming in Rust. And then the task manager should push the task. Good. Now we want to use the Tokyo spawn, not spawn pin, with the task manager. And then while let some result equals task manager next await, we want to print line, use the macro with the task result, and we use some formatting and the result dot unwrap. Good. Now the function main is going to be the Tokyo main, and here we simply say that the dynamic task manager should await the results. Okay, then how do we bring this to life? Let's use a quick notch, and here what we want to do is to navigate to the coding and dynamic task and cargo add Tokyo features full. Then we can use the cargo run. Let this build. And once the build is complete, dynamic task manager. What? Async. There is a typo. Good. So now if we rerun it for modules, expected item. Come on. I forgot the hashtag. Good. Let's rerun it. Task manager. Task manager. Task manager. And in the line 15, task manager. Similar name. Manger. Where is it? Manager. Okay. One more mistake and we are through. Futures. Unresolved, unlinked. Futures. Let's see what we have to say about this. Futures. Okay. Cargo add futures feature for cargo add features. Let's recompile it. And fn main. And this should be an async fn main. So let's run it. And this is the task result. What is the Elgato desk have to do it? And this is running. So this is the task manager result unwrap. And this is working. So this is how you can use in Rust associated dynamic tasks. See you in the next one.